Hey, look at this lovely family. Did you like the smile on their faces? I bet you did. The same for me here. Did you wonder the reason for it? You can make this happen for your family. Just give me only 1 minute. I will show you the secret behind this gorgeous smile. If you never enjoy your culinary activities, there must be a reason. We all know that whenever you do something feeling well, the result mostly turns out to be good. The same applies in the kitchen too. When you're having out a dirty war-zone kitchen with mismatched cabinets and cramped counter space, there's no wonder your family doesn't enjoy your meals. So, we are one of the best companies in Kigali city with furniture services with a long time experience in the industry. So we make for you an amazing kitchen setup according to your dreams, and where necessary, we propose you different amazing kitchen designs and you choose one we install for you. We always get positive reviews and lots of appreciations from our clients. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to us and make your order now. Our contact are somewhere on the screen, in the video title, or in the video description. Call us or WhatsApp us right now. Make your family smile after a long, frustrating day of work. If you need or planning to install or put any furniture in your house, new or renovation, please subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss on any of our new